Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a zoom effect in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. As you can see, I am in canva.com, and what we're going to do is come up to the top right hand side and we're going to press create a design, and then we're going to type in video. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this top button here that says video. And as you can see, it is now going to bring up a blank template for us. So what you can do is you can upload your own video. You can search for a video in Canva. If you're looking to get this zoom effect, then I'm guessing that you have got your own video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come over to the left hand side here, press on uploads, and I'm going to scroll across. As you can see, we've got images, videos and audio. I'm going to press on the middle button that says videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this video here we've got of waves. Amazing. So as you can see, Canva has now popped in our video onto our template. So just going to make it sort of slightly larger to sort of fit our template there slightly. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to press play, and then when it reaches the point that you want to add in the zoom effect, if you right click and press split page, so what that has then done is that has split our video clip. And then I'm going to press play again and then stop where I then want the video clip to zoom out. So I'm then going to right click again and do split page. So as you can see, we have got 3 separate video clips. So what we want to do is to get the zoom effect, we are going to click on this middle video clip and we are going to click on the video, and then we are going to zoom in. So we're just going to make it really large, and I'm just trying to highlight the person here riding the waves. So I'm just going to make sure it's sort of really zoomed in there, and then he's kind of sort of in the center, so just positioning it right. And then if we go back to the beginning, we move our time. So if we move our playhead back to the beginning, and then if we hit the play button, you can then see we've got our video. It then sort of zooms in and then it zooms out. And that's it. Amazing. That is it. So Canva isn't exactly the best at this, but it's not bad. So that is how to get a zoom effect. So I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you give us a like and also a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.